Tired of participants hijacking your large meetings with random screen shares and distracting reactions? Learn to lock down your Google Calendar meeting settings in under 2 minutes. First, we'll access the video call options for any meeting. Then, I'll walk you through each support feature to give you total control. Start by clicking on an existing meeting in your calendar, or go ahead and create a new one. Then, click the pencil icon to edit the event details. Now, click the Video Call options next to the Google Meet link. It's the gear icon. Turn on Host Management to allow the host to control meeting features. You can let contributors share their screen if you'd like. Or you can restrict participants from sending reactions. You can also turn off the in-meeting chat to prevent messages during the meeting. And you can choose the meeting access type. Once you've made your selections, click Save to apply the changes. That's it. You're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.